Selling digital product on your website can be exciting as it is hassle-free because you don't need to manage inventory, look out for courier, and it is the best way to start a e-commerce website. So in this series, we are learning about creating different products in e-commerce. So in today's session, we will learn about creating digital downloadable products. Hi, this is Prakash from 𝗧𝗵𝗿.com, and in this series of Woocommerce, we are learning how to create different type of products. So in today's session, we will learn about creating a digital product which can be easily downloaded by the customer once the payment is done. So we'll see how this product is different from the other products, and also we will learn about resolving issues related to digital product purchase. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications for all my upcoming videos. So let us start. So this is our test website, and if you remember, we have already created two products. The first one was the simple product, and this one was a variable product. So let us now start with the digital downloadable product, and for that, let us go to the WP admin. So this is the dashboard, and I'm just logging into it. So let us hover over to products and say add new. So this is the product title, and if you remember in the first episode, we saw how to write the product title. So you may refer to the first video, and let us copy this title to save some time. So this is a ebook. I will say ebook and a standing line, and I will also say instant download, just to make the title little attractive for the customer. This is the long description for the product, and let me copy this to here. So let us also complete the short description of the product, and it just says learn the 8 ways to get more eyes on your content. So here the short description goes. So now the main thing is the product is now selected as a simple product, but the product is a downloadable product. Let us see how the things come up when we just create a downloadable product. So the price I will set as maybe rupees 500. If I want to keep any discount for it, maybe a 50% discount. And immediately when you click on a downloadable product, the fields are enabled for the downloadable files. So here you can add a file for the product, and let us give it a name, ebook. And to upload a file, we have two ways to upload a file for this product. So if it is a PDF or a small file, we can host it on our website. So let us open the media into a new tab. So if it is a small file like a small PDF for your ebook, you can just upload it to the media section, and you can use this link in the product. But if the file size is large, you can use either any of the cloud spaces like the Google Drive or Mega. So this is my Mega account, and in Mega, if I have this folder for the courses, what I can do, I can just say get link, and I can copy this link and give it in this file URL section. So you can host this downloadable file either on the website itself, or you can host it on something like the Google Drive or Mega or any cloud spaces which you can use to store your files. So once you update the downloadable link here, the same link goes to the customer, and from where the customer can easily download the product. You can set the download limit here. So if you just want to keep it for say 5 downloads, the file can be downloaded by the customer 5 times. And you can say download expiry. So I prefer not to change this because customer has purchased the file and they can download it anytime. Taxes and other things you can check as per your requirement. Going to the inventory, since it's a downloadable product, you don't need to manage the stock. But if you just want that only the first 10 or 15 people should get this ebook, you can set it to whatever specific number you wish to. So I'm just disabling this SKU. Maybe you can have this as a 0008, and shipping, you will see that the shipping is still active. So because it's a downloadable product, you don't need any shipping for it. So for this, you just need to enable it as a virtual product, and immediately you will see that the shipping option is now not available. So the linked product and other things, if you have any specific requirement, you can manage it accordingly. So let us go and set the product image from the library. So I will just upload an image quickly. This is the product image I have uploaded, and I will set this as the product image. Now coming to the product tags, you can maybe have this as a ebook. You can set it as content writing, things like that. So based on the tags also, the customer can search your product. So let us add a new category here, and I will say ebook or downloadable products or something like that, and just add it. And it is now updated. So let us go and publish this product and check out how the things have come up now. So let us view the product. So here it is. The ebook is now ready for sale, and you will see that learn the 8 ways to get more eyes on your content. Now you will see the price. This is the short description, and here the long description. So the customer can just go and add the product to cart and purchase it. So we will also see how the purchase happens for this product. But if you see, this is a virtual downloadable product and you need not have this quantity field here. So to eliminate that, let us go to the product settings and here go to the inventory and just tick this box sold individually and update it. So once you update it, this product cannot be sold into multiple copies to the same customer, and immediately you'll see that the quantity field is now disabled for this product. So this is how we can create a digital downloadable product. And let us see how the purchase happens, and if you get any query from the customers about the download link not received or any things like that, you can very well solve those. So let us see how the purchase will happen for this digital downloadable product. So I will go and add it to the cart and go to view cart. If I scroll down now, you will see that there is a field to enable coupons. So we will soon see how to create coupons and how to manage them. So let us say proceed to checkout. And here you will see that the payment is not enabled. So temporarily, what I will do, I will go and I will set a COD for this store. So here I am on the WooCommerce settings and I will go to payments and I will enable a cash on delivery option. So remember, cash on delivery is not an option to be given to the customers for a digital downloadable product. Just to test the checkout, I am setting this up. So I will say save changes. I will go and refresh this page and you'll see that the cash on delivery is now enabled here. So I will just place an order, but before that, if you see these fields, billing details, the address and the pin code and other details are actually not required for a digital downloadable product. So in next step, we will see how to disable these fields for a digital downloadable product. So let me fill up this form and I will say, and I will just add some arbitrary company name, street, apartment, city, and pin code, phone number, and I will place this order. The billing pin code is not valid. Change this. So maybe, okay. So I will place this order. So this order is now placed and let us see how the customer can view the order and download the product. If the customer goes to his account, he can go to the downloads. So here it says no downloads available yet. Let us go and check the orders. So I will go to the orders and here it says on hold. So I will check the order. It is the same order, and let me view this order. So because we have placed this as a COD or cash on delivery order, it has gone on hold. Let us first process this order and say complete and update it. And now if I come to the customer dashboard, I see that I have the product now available. So if I click on this ebook now, the link will open and it will download the file for me. So here is the mega link, and from here I can download the file. So if it is a file hosted on the website itself, it will directly download the file. So let us come back to the order page now, and from here, if there is any issue about the download link, you can go to the order actions, and from here you can say generate download permissions and update it. If you scroll down now, you will see that this is the downloadable product permissions area, and from here you can copy the link of the product and email it to the customer. Also, you can check the report about the downloads by the customer. So it says the customer downloads active filters permission ID 2. You will see that if the customer has downloaded the product, it will give you the details here. So coming back to this page now, if you want to grant access now to the same customer, you can search the product as ebook and you can enable grant access to give access to the customer for this product. So this is how, if the customer is facing any issues about the downloadable product link, you can grant the access to the customer. Coming back to the product now, we saw that there are few fields of the purchase form which are not required for a digital downloadable product. So I will show you what I am referring. So the billing details and other things are actually not required for a digital downloadable product. So what we will do, we will install a small plugin to make changes to this purchase form. So let us go to add new and type in direct checkout for Woocommerce. So this is the plugin direct checkout for Woocommerce by 𝗏𝗏. So just install this plugin and activate it. Once I activate this plugin, you will see some settings, and from the settings you can enable or disable the direct checkout. I will enable this add to cart alert, add to cart link. I will say yes, and I will just save this. Now on the archives section, you don't need to do anything here. On the products section, nothing you need to change it. But this is the checkout page, and here you will see that remove checkout fields. So from here you can enter the fields that you don't need on the checkout form. So here address to company and a phone is disabled. So I will also add the postcode, which is not required, the city, which is not required. I just need the first name, last name. I may need the country. I don't need state. City is already there. So address 1, I don't need any address. So that's all. I think rest all other things are required. So I will go and say save changes. So now if I come back to the checkout page and refresh it, you will see that only the essential fields are now present. And for a digital downloadable product, we may not need the complete address for the customer. We just need the email address and a few other things from the customer. So this now completes the digital downloadable products, and you can create and sell any kind of digital downloadable product by learning from this video. Hope you could learn all the things related to a digital downloadable product from this video. And if you find this video and all my videos informative, you can just subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notification for all my future videos. So thank you so much and take care.